Hey guys, I just came here to tell you and let you know that your success is only a decision away. You see, in life, we always go through things and everybody wants to know, hey, how can I succeed? How can I achieve? How can I learn to believe at the level necessary for me to accomplish all that I desire? And this is me, JD3, come to tell you guys that it's all about a decision, baby. It's all about a choice. The reason why my heart is filled with joy and I'm glad and excited that I get to share this with you is because I first had to learn how to believe in myself and look in the mirror and see my best friend and not my worst enemy. You see, it starts with renewing your mind to a new way of thinking, setting neurological pathways within your nervous system that would allow you to succeed and choose success rather than fail. Link pleasure to success. Link pleasure to your achievement. Link pleasure to fulfilling your goals, and link unbearable pain to passivity and laziness, to failure and giving up and quitting. And in doing that, guys, you will learn that it's worth it and that you really can do it. We need to hear that from people sometimes. Actually, all the time. So listen to me as I tell you, you can do it. You have what it takes, man. You're an awesome being. You are the highest form of creation that has ever been created. There's nothing greater than you. There's nothing with more purpose than you. There's nothing with more a specific design that enables one to choose exactly what he or she wants to do and to put desire, faith, and action behind that and go and actually do it. So this message is to the one who says, oh, I didn't have this and I didn't have that. This message is to the one who looks at, maybe you wasn't born in privilege. Maybe you wasn't born with the greatest opportunity. You have to overcome a few more mountains. But I'm here to tell you that no mountain is insurmountable. Right thoughts, right words, right actions, and most importantly, a right faith and belief system that starts within you. You can do it, guys. Keep up the awesome work. JD3.